and she is my friend Gautami. Today we are going to talk about junk food and healthy food. Let's start this debate between me and my friend. In my opinion, junk food should be banned in schools. Why are you thinking like that? No, it shouldn't. You know, junk food is unhealthy. Okay, but people are free to eat what they love. Yes, of course. My cousin has health problems in heart and bones. It isn't that bad. Sometimes the healthy food can be also bad sometimes. My friend, unhealthy food may be bad for brain function, but some people think it's delicious. No, it makes children lazy. I believe that eating junk food from time to time can make you feel happy. It doesn't got vitamins and minerals from our body. If junk food banned in schools, kids will still eat it anyway. Habits are often formed during childhood. People should make their own decisions and